Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your print-ready files in Adobe Acrobat, full guide step-by-step clearly. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Launch the file you want to backup. Confirm that your file is in the print-ready format. Go to the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Save As from the drop-down options. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file. In the Save As type drop-down, select Adobe PDF Files, star.pdf. Rename the file if necessary to avoid confusion. Click the Save button to complete the process. Now let's create a backup copy. Once the file is saved, go back to the File menu. Select Save As again. This time, choose a different location, such as an external hard drive or cloud storage. You can also rename this file to indicate it's a backup. Click Save to ensure this backup is secure. To verify your backup, navigate to the location where you saved it. Open the backup file to ensure it is intact and accessible. Consider creating additional backups on different storage solutions for extra security. After confirming that both copies are operational, close Adobe Acrobat. Organize your backup files with clear naming conventions for easy retrieval. Regularly repeat this process to keep your files up to date. You're now equipped to backup your print-ready files in Adobe Acrobat effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.